Robotics is an exciting field that involves the design, construction, and operation of robots. Robotics technology has advanced significantly in recent years, and robots are now being used in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare and transportation. The future of robotics is bright, bringing new opportunities and challenges, and it will change the way we work, live and interact with the world around us. "3D data visualization is a powerful tool that allows us to better understand complex data by displaying it in a visual, three-dimensional format. It can be used in fields such as science, engineering, and business to gain new insights, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions. With the advancement of technology, 3D data visualization is becoming more accessible and user-friendly, making it a valuable tool for professionals and non-experts alike. "3D holograms are a revolutionary technology that allows us to create three-dimensional images that appear to be floating in space. They have applications in fields such as education, entertainment, and advertising, providing a new level of engagement and immersion. With the advancement of technology, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting uses for 3D holograms in the future." DNA data storage is a new technology that utilizes the natural properties of DNA to store digital data. It has the potential to revolutionize data storage by providing extremely high storage density, long-term stability and security. This technology is still in its early stages of development but has the potential to be a game changer in the field of data storage.